From selecting the eggs, in the grounds, buying the eggs, transporting the eggs, that is the fertilized eggs, the incubator, putting them inside, taking care of them, all that until day 21. It's a long way, but a very fruitful wait. So I put my eggs inside the incubator. Right now, the eggs are in the process of hatching, and I'm getting chicks right now. It's a very beautiful journey, and I'll be dropping tutorials, frequently, maybe twice per week, about this, endeavor. I'll be talking about the incubator. I'll be showing you the incubator. I'll be teaching you how to handle the incubator, process of taking care of the eggs, and the process of taking care of the chicks once they get out of the machine. Yeah, and so I will be showing you how the chicks are hatching, right? Or you don't want to see it? Oh no, you want to see it. So I will show you the process, and I'll show you how I'll take care of them once they are out of the incubator. Remember, when they start hatching, you should at least wait for 24 to 48 hours, so that the chicks can dry off, can fluff off, so that they can be, they can regain the energy, they can rest. If you disturb, then the chick might get stressed, and that is not what we want. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like this video, because I would like it to be suggested to your friends and other people, so that they may benefit from this also. Yeah, that's all for today. Goodbye.